The Labour Department, we are probably...
The Labour Department has reiterated its call for employers to pay what is due to their workers. This comes after several workers of builder Fletcher Morobe walked off their jobs demanding to be paid the national minimum wage. Deputy Secretary for Labour Mary Morola says labour officers in all provinces throughout the country must ensure employers comply. She said Trikina 20 is the new wage rate and those employers seeking exemption must do it within the 3-month grace period. Minister for Labour Benjamin Poponawa also supported the call for compliance.
I think this is overdue for a while now. The 320, when you compare to that, it's just peanuts. With the CPI increases and with the living standards going high, that 320 per hour is just, it's not enough. Although the business houses can argue and say it's too much and we cannot sustain our operations, but at least as Papua New Guinea, I would say that I think our people out in the rural areas and out in the who matters most have suffered enough, so at least we need to put something back to them. They deserve that. So
he said there is no excuse for employers to delay paying the new minimum wage. Workers who have been denied their right to be paid must see the Labour Department to pursue their grievances. Mr. Poponawa called on his departmental staff to perform. He said there are a lot of accusations about Labour Department not performing its job. He wants to see this change during his term and welcome assistance from all stakeholders to address pressing issues facing the labour force in the country. Mickey Kavera, National MTV News.